with that St. Mary. St. Mary with there. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Baby, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
Uncle Murphy.
Morning time, Paul. Morning time. Big up for yourself. Have a nice day, you know.
Yeah.
Cloud high. Yes. Send me with you again.
Alright.
Yeah,
So,
Boshue doing thing, you know.
yes, so, Parry, blessings. Morning once more. Welcome to another St. Mary vlog. As you can see, we're going here, so. On the front part here, so. Sure, I'm going to put on some of my matter today. So, we are here. Try to come catch it for me, come see what I go on. So, boy, shoe sort out him something right in my front yard there, so. So, I'm having him material there, so. So, see my Marvin out the road there, so. Some more workman for come, them not come yet. Hopefully they come. So, my Marvin down there, so. I do them thing. And, yeah. So, this in set up, you know. Up at top here. And see where I'm setting some mixing matter here, so. And I'm going to push it off, so. So I'm going to do it, so. Where you make, you know, as you go along through the day, I'm not going to make it. I'm going to see how shoe set up in thing and what I go on. Alright? Next clip. So, Parry, you know, see what I go on. Let me tell you something. Anywhere they be going, a blessing follow. Because they be not treat people bad. They be a good girl up by front of yard, you know. Yo, banana there, a market where I go later. So when I next one I work man come in the Parry, keep there. So movements are go on today. Sun bright and nice. And them are going with some movements today. But me say, yo, Father God don't say, I be a blessing, breadfruit and banana and all of that. But guess what? We not do no cooking today, you know. And then that, me's a tired body. So that me I tell you no Parry, ku banana. Me say the nana them. Me not tell you lie. What we are going to do with them, Uncle Murphy? We are going to market. Yeah, market we say. Yeah. No sir. Yeah.
You know about one? Yes, man. I want to buy this man. You know the jam. You have a late to carry the drop.
So Parry, I don't know much you know. See upon the inside this me there. And wow, dark. You can see I set up in bamboo them for brace. Me I try, but in here is very dark. Yeah. Place what me say, yo, the rain. So you know, I'm trying my best. This is how on the inside look. Yeah, so what I'm basically I go do is as soon as them take off the room, yeah, and it dry them out, pull down the plyboard and do the other side. Cause we did buy 14 sheet of ply. And I did just say, it don't make no sense to buy no more. Cause when him pull it down, when I go do with so much ply. And I like him there out in the, you know, town when can't get them for rent. Up here, so them just go stay there. You know, so him have about 3 up there leave. But him never use. So when them I pull down, him just do the little kitchen. Him suggested that. He just say, Miss Debbie, not buy no more. When that, you know. So him will come over to here, so now. We have to over there, so pull off. So basically today, him a deck off the room. Much in breadfruit, they on my tree, me I forget to. So inside here look Parry. Him having bamboo them and something when sort out in here. Yeah. So that I go on the same room. Me have one idiot me have vlog here to look like gas. And this is his little bathroom. And right here is his little kitchenette. So when them take off the decking off of the room, them just go deck up there. I don't think I go die though. Because I go just get some extra cement leaf, give them to the. I go die when that tag one. But don't we see it when it thing there. I doubt I'll be here. Maybe I'll be here, maybe I'll not be here. I'm not sure. Yeah. So Parry, all I man then come here now. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 shoe. And Marvin gone a road. So man, them a move here now. Yeah.
You don't care about
He might go outside and come back. Yeah. Yeah, morning. How that? Anishi? I fear that I drive. That's nice, that's nice. Yeah, so. Yeah, man, then that's why if you go, I say we are go down the road, you know. Yeah, so. The whole line man them there. So 4 workman different Parry plus Shoe and Marvin. Yeah. Uncle Murphy, where you there, pan? Terence, call Bob the builder there for me, Bob the welder. So yeah, Parry, I saw like a part of the layout this in the front yard. So yeah, I'm busy at today. Sure, you get busy now, Panny. You know your problem. Yeah, tell them say you get busy right now. Yeah, a busy business now. Yeah, I want to tap for one, you know, hurricane. I come, hurricane season, you know. So. You finally look like something I go on for you now. Yeah, to God be the glory. Alright? Yeah. How much inches shoe? 5? How what do him?
Come on, try put your partner. Yeah, yeah. Try down with your partner, see for his place. Try to know some more. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah.
When you share that, show that I go all the way time material, a concrete.
Yeah, man.
Man, make it concrete waste and it show off a ground there, you know.
You know, they not put too much money.
Oh.
They have 40 to let it slide.
Eh? So you can, but you can't find another one for join with this. Boshue, you can't find piece more for join with it as that keep get some more length over there, so. Catch it from here, so where they mix it? You know have a next one of them zinc here. What that side are you? Yeah, you want more length here.
When I do them, you know, can out and fully.
Yeah.
Right, I say you want to show.
Yeah, show. You see lizard panic, show? No, not really, but me just make you know, say. That lizard there 2 km. Now man, me keep draw over that a little bit more.
You can't care about this happening. No, this. Like a giant. Yeah, jump back up some more. Yeah, I'm going to see the shot.
You feel so? You feel say short from here, so?
One side, one side small firewood.
Yes.
Remember?
Yo, you want to run out some, yo, you want to run out, because you have to start to the water. You want to run out of Stand up. You're too damn weak, are you? Oh, don't do you're rash today. Yeah, look up here.
My God.
Water.
Kind of. You're going to sit down and set, man.
You know, one block.
Yeah, get one block. Black and water and sit down set you.
Two, like water. Listen, like you run.
Here's the good.
I'm not sure what else.
Come here. It a stick on him, man. It not run good. Hmm? Boshue, you think this was a wise idea?
You want soup, man? Yeah, you want soup like that?
That is pliable.
Yeah.
So you need to mix this off for then. You want something on that middle for ice it.
Suba. It's in go bend.
Go bend.
Can't make it.
It need zinc and support.
Working out, but you want to use up so, you understand? I think me go.
Here's the show and back off, let me see.
That throw it over, pa, like it make it go over.
It's your man.
This look like, oh, this look like a beer work, Marvin. This don't look like it all around. Oh, it look. It take time to go on. Taking time to go on, but now reach back over back there, so now I have to go up and ladder. Too much dirt.
Skim it. I left it to make it big.
Look what Paul do me, make me move. Wait. No problem, man, no problem. Yeah.
And I left the same dry to make a board. Water.
Materials were around, water.
So Miri, when I buy this so done, you know, yeah, Rocky car come on this, I hope a water, I hope a barrel on her back full. Sure, you need to say it thing, you have to mix it more wet than that, man. Make you run, go down there.
Flashing.